How to upload and install Elementor template kits from Envato. To successfully integrate Elementor template kits obtained from Envato into your WordPress site, you need to follow specific steps that involve uploading and installing the templates. Verify you have an Elementor template kit. Envato Market offers several different template types, but only Elementor kits can be installed using the Envato plugin. The plugin cannot install WordPress themes, HTML templates, site templates, or UI divided by UX templates. How to install the Envato WordPress plugin. Ensure you're following this process to import your kit using the Template Kit Import plugin for WordPress.
Download your kit file from your Themifrost dashboard and do not unzip it. WordPress, go to Settings, Permalinks and ensure post name is selected, then Save. Go to Appearance, Themes, Add New and ensure Hello Elementor is installed and activated. The theme activation will prompt you to install and activate the Elementor Page Builder plugin if it is not already installed. Click Install, then Activate. Go to Plugins, Add New and search for Envato, and install and activate the Template Kit Import plugin. If your kit requires Elementor Pro, you must install and connect it before continuing. How to import your kit. Go to Tools, Template Kit and click Upload Template Kit zip file. Your templates should appear. Check for the orange banner at the top of the screen and click Install Requirements to load the kit add-ons and settings. Click Import on the global kit styles first to set colors, fonts and site settings, then click Import Template on each template one at a time in the order shown. Creating your pages. Go to Pages, add new page and give your page a title, then click Edit with Elementor. Click the X to close any Elementor pop-ups, notifications that appear. Click the Envato icon in the Builder area. Click View Installed Kit, then ensure the template you want to use is a page or container template type, then click Insert Template. If your kit does not specify page template, no need to worry. Any templates specified as a type other than page or container in Elementor Pro are customized through the Elementor Pro Theme Builder. If your buttons say, Import Template, please return to Tools, Template Kit to run the imports first. You may be prompted to apply the settings of the page too. Click Do Not Apply. How to create menu and set up header and footers. Your navigation menu is created in WordPress under Appearance, Menus. How to set up header and footers. Elementor Pro kits will automatically set up the header and footer under Templates, Theme Builder. If you are not seeing it in your pages, make sure the page layout is Elementor full width and the header template condition is entire site in the Theme Builder. If your kit is not made for Elementor Pro, it will have alternative ways to set up global headers and footers. Visit your Template Kits item page on our website for detailed setup instructions for additional add-ons. How to set the home page. You may set the main landing page of your website under Settings, Reading by selecting Static Front Page and the page you want to show. If you encounter an error while importing an Elementor template kit, click on Show Debug Details and copy the contents of the log. Then, email it along with the name of the kit and your website URL to the support email address shown in the error message. You can also check out the official guide, Envato Elements Template Kits, Troubleshooting Common Import Problems. The link is already mentioned in the video description.